Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first orders, we got a stacked McDonald's. I think total mileage was like 8 miles, but 90% of the mileage was just getting to the restaurant.
Welcome to McDonald's. Would you like to try our Red Bull Energizer? Order whenever you're ready.
Oh, do you have it at 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Morning.
Total for that stack was $14. That's not bad. I think both of those in total took maybe 20 minutes. And we got the next one right away. This is a Starbucks going about 5 miles. Thank you. All right, easy pickup. And that is a full paragraph. What am I even reading here? In all caps, really push the buttons. Also, make sure they don't stick. The keypad works, but it's super moody. That's cool. I love that for me. Blah, blah, blah. So if it doesn't work, you need to drive to the side gate at the back of the... What? Oh, wait, yeah, I've been here before. I definitely remember this giving me trouble. It was way worse last time because it was super dark and foggy. Well, never mind on all that, I guess. They replaced the thing for a digital screen. Now just to figure out where I'm even going. Total for that one was $7, no tip. Nice, very nice. I should really stop accepting every single order that comes into my phone, because I'm already like on the edge of my zone, and this one is taking me so far away. We've got a McDonald's going 7 miles, and it's gonna leave me in a whole different town, so this better be worth it. What do you mean invalid code? Guess I'm just walking in. Like, how annoying can you be? As soon as I started typing the code, it said invalid code. Like, I didn't even get the whole thing in, and it was saying invalid code. And of course, no response. Luckily, I could just walk right in, and also their note said, black Cadillac in the driveway. There was nothing in the driveway, so why are you lying? Also, that was a no tip. Nice. Total for that was $7. And I'm in a whole different town. Made it back into my zone and got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 going 7 miles. I think it's at 7 items. Out. All right, well, 2 out of the 7 items were out of stock, so not getting full pay out of this one. That's awesome. And I need a PIN. Why do I always have to meet the customer when I don't have their full order? It's so awkward. Maybe not for them, but it is for me. I feel like I'm letting them down.
I'll get back to you. Thank you.
Like, this is your stuff. What are we doing here? Oh, I have to go all the way around the building. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $8. Okay, that was a really good one. It took maybe 10 minutes, if that. Next up is Donut Nook. This one is going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $7 and change, and got this one right away. This is a McDonald's going just under 2 miles. Oh wow, that's a no tip. Total for that was $2. Next up is a Taco Bell. This one's $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. I think it's been like 15 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is going to be a McDonald's, $7 going about 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too. I don't think I've done one of these in a while. Got a Wendy's. Well, technically it's 2. It's going to the same customer though, so they just ordered twice. But either way, this Wendy's is going about 4 miles.
Excuse me. Can you get the cinnamon pull parts? I don't want many, by the way. I'm hungry.
The cinnamon pull-aparts? Okay.
Hello, welcome to Wendy's. What can I get started for you? Check in at the second window.
Okay, and also, can I order something else?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I do the cinnamon pull-aparts?
Okay, anything else?
Just that.
Should be 413 with that one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's a drink with it.
Oh, the drink?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Oh, sorry. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You too. You know, with my luck, I'm not even gonna make back whatever I just spent on that little treat for that homeless person. Not that I'm mad about buying a homeless person food, by the way. I'm glad to do that. It's just that I know this is gonna be a no tip, and I'm gonna be mad at the results. That's what I'm mad about. Okay, here we go. Got an order on a different app, so I gotta make this drop off quick. I'm almost there, so it should be fine, but we gotta, I think it was Kitchen Table Cafe. I already forgot. I can't really check right now. But it was like $9 going 6 miles, something like that. If I'm way off, I'll just throw it up on the screen. Okay, I was half right, half wrong. I was right on that being a no tip. Nice. But I was wrong. It actually took a lot longer than I assumed. So total for that one was $8.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a great student.
You too. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $7 going just under 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Just take a picture. Sausage egg McGriddle.
Okay, I think it's time to go home. The last like 2 hours went by really, really fast, but I don't think I made that much money in that time. But anyways, current time is 9:39. Total is, I've got no idea. I had orders on every app, so I'm just gonna have to go home and add it all up. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.